My people, another one don happen again for this Yul Edochie and Judy Austin matter. Una know say yesterday Judy Austin lock Yul Edochie for outside. He lock her for gate say make he go back to where he dey come from because say Yul Edochie no quick enter house yesterday. He come by that kind 4. Judy Austin come lock her outside say make he go back to where he for dey come. Yul Edochie beg Judy Austin say no dey open. Hey, my people, yesterday internet burst. E nearly catch fire because person never seen this kind thing before. Woman go lock im own husband wey get house for outside. Now Judy Austin don run come out o. E call now Judy Austin don cry come out o. He say Yul Edochie after he lock am for outside, he no open the door. Yul Edochie go back to where he for dey come. Now they no know where Yul Edochie enter now. He say since morning Yul Edochie never come house. He dey find am. She dey find Yul Edochie up and down. Say make people abeg o, who know where Yul Edochie dey, make e abeg. Make e contact say Yul Edochie don miss so he no gree see Yul Edochie. You dey run no enter scatter. You dey run enter scatter. Hey, nothing wey person no go see for this 2 couple hand o. Hey, if na so marriage be, people not for the marry o. People not for the marry second wife dey join their wife. My people, this one e shock me. Even yesterday people even dey talk say how woman go do this kind thing to this man. No matter what, even though say na quarrel or na heart una dey, no be say you go lock this man put for outside. A whole man wey be say na him house, he get the money, he get everything, just because say he got marry woman wey he no understand, go marry put for house. Now the woman come need to dey lock am for outside. Everybody think say na drama dey heart. Nah, maybe they just dey heart. But yesterday this woman lock this man outside. He no gree open door make this man enter. Yul Edochie beg this woman make he just open door make he enter. Judy Austin say no, make he go back to where for the come. So Yul Edochie from there he really go. Now Judy Austin come dey run enter scatter. They look for Yul Edochie. Say anywhere where person for see Yul Edochie, you know na popular actor. Anybody fit see her at e dey popular well. Now they quick detect am. That's why he run come out say make people abeg make they help am find Yul Edochie. Hey, no be small thing o. This thing e don tire Yul Edochie o. The marriage issue don tire Yul Edochie. Who know, maybe he go back to his house where him main family dey. May Edochie, maybe go back to there. Hey, now wow, abeg people, una no dey marry 2 wives again. Una no go know the one wey una wan go enter. Una no go know the one wey una wan go meet, whether e better pass the one wey una first get for house, or the one wey una first get for house better pass am. Hey, you see wetin second wife dey do person. Now nobody know where Yul Edochie don enter. People, who see am una contact to see where Yul Edochie don enter. But anyway, Yul Edochie na adult, so make Judy Austin make he rest for this issue. Yul Edochie go come out anytime when Judy Austin head take reach ground. We take calm down, Yul Edochie go locate house. My people, now this one I say make I come drop for now. I'll come back again with another update in case if anybody does see or May Edochie does see Yul Edochie or Judy Austin, I'll still come give updates. Thank you guys. Continue to follow, like.